Hey you guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today guys, I'm gonna show you how to make aesthetic sounds for accounts on TikTok, fan pages. So let's get started. You will go to YouTube and you will search aesthetic sounds, and I got my aesthetic sound from this. Credits to them. So you can choose whatever sound you like, but I recommend from this because it's really cute. So when you click the sound, you're gonna screen record it. So when you've done that, you're going to search you're going to search for this pour coffee sound affect all sounds. So you will need this as well. And now you're going to screen record up the sound. So when you've done that, you're going to choose keyboard typing. Oops. And you are going to screen record something again, whatever keyboard you like. So yeah. So when you've done that, you are going to go to iMovie and you're going to click this plus here, you're going to click movie, and now you're going to click your main sound. The first sound you screen recorded and that I showed you, not the coffee and the keyboard, the main. So I'm gonna click it, and you're gonna click create movie down here. And it's right here, and as you can see, you hear it. And when you click it, there is your volume, and you can hear it. So I'm just gonna make it to here. Now you're going to click this little plus here. You're going to click video, and you're gonna click recently added, and you choose your videos like this one, and you click the three dots here, and you click audio only. So there's the sound, and you can hear the keyboard, but if you want it hear it more, just click on it, and again make your volume. Wait, I'm just going to make it just a little quieter because yeah. No, oh my god, I'm so sorry. Okay, it's okay like that, let's say. And I'm just going to make the volume of this a little more. Yeah. Okay. And you're going to click the plus again that I showed you guys. Like this plus. And I'm going to click the coffee thingy. And you're gonna click the three dots again. And you're gonna click audio only. And it's gonna put the audio, and let's hear it. Okay, perfect. And like you can crop it if you like. I'm gonna crop it like here because it's just too long. Like here, it's okay like that. When you're ready, you're gonna click this. And you're gonna click this right here. So it saves your video to the gallery, and you're gonna click save video. And it's going to export it, and the movie was exported to your photo library. So let's see the video now. That was the sound, and if this video was helpful, comment down below and subscribe. Bye y'all.